I was really disappointed and dissatisfied when I heard that comment this morning on Love FM. Basically, the reporter came to me just before Easter, and I told her, Miss, I can give you an interview, but it's just fair that you mention the people that are alleging these instances. So I told her, if you can get the names, come to me and I'll give you an interview. She never did. Now, I was really shocked this morning to hear that these allegations are on the radio against me. You know? So I'm really disappointed, but I called the radio station this morning and need the corrections. So basically, the corrections are that the allegations are unfounded, and I believe that the reporter needs to get her record straight before coming out and publicly stating things that are not really so. Because those allegations are liable. I tell you, I have not fired a soul. And I promised people, yes, that I will give them a raise. But my God, I'm not sure what kind of brains some people have. How can they get a raise within the first month? You know? And I can tell you, we have people here for the past 20 years working at the town council. And those are the people that I'm targeting first. And I can tell you that at least 5 people have gotten their raise. Their salaries have been augmented. You know, and the records are there. You can see it. So I'm not sure what allegations, where they got those allegations. As well, the staff, I can tell you, the staff are working in harmony because they have big expectations, and their expectations will be seen or will be met at the end of the year when we go through our appraisal system, and they will be assessed based on their performance. So if they are performing well, they can get the maximum percent that we are still to discuss on how much we are going to give them, but they will see, I can tell you that they will see that raise or that percent raise added to their salaries at the end of the year.
Now, in terms of people leaving, you did not fire anybody, but I've seen letter where people have resigned, and there is a big difference between being terminated and resigning.
Yes, Mr. Patrick, and this is exactly what I mentioned to Ms. Ava this morning. It's just if certain people don't know what's the meaning of resigning and firing, then I think they really have, and I think that's the case. Because I have not fired a person. They resigned on their own, and we have the proof where they tender their resignation and they sign it.